Hello. Although I promised fruiting, I decided to show you the secrets of liquid culture preparation first. This technique is the one that allows you to produce an infinite amount of inoculum from a few ml of spore solution or liquid culture. And at the end, I will reveal the super additive that will make your honey solution extremely fast. But first, let's look at the basics. There are many recipes circulating on the internet, everyone swears by something different. In this video I will show you the best of the organic options. In this case, honey will provide the nutrients needed for the mycelium to grow. What is very important in this case is to use real, preferably homemade honey. If you use good quality homemade honey, you will be able to produce a high quality liquid culture from it. You can use the liquid culture to inoculate the grain, but you can also make additional liquid culture from it by injecting it into the sterile base liquid. If you haven't done so yet, it's time to subscribe and like to help support my work. Here's what you'll need for the process. Good quality homemade honey. Water. Pressure cooker. Prepared mason jar. Spore syringe or a small amount of liquid culture. Rubber gloves. Isopropyl alcohol and paper towels. If you don't have a prepared jar, drill 2 holes in the top, one for the filter and one for the injection port. Clamp the injection port into the larger hole and tape the filter over the smaller hole, which will ensure free gas exchange and keep out intruders. An important factor for the right result is the mixing ratio of honey and water. What works for me is to add 14 to 15 grams of honey to 500 grams, in other words 500 milliliters of water. Pour the warm water into the mason jar. This will help the honey dissolve more easily. Then add the previously measured honey. Mix and let stand for a while until the honey dissolves. Place a piece of aluminum foil on the lid of the mason jar so that no liquid can get through the filter during sterilization. Place the jar in the pressure cooker on the steaming rack, then once the right pressure is reached, sterilize for about 20 minutes. I explained the process of achieving the necessary pressure for sterilization in detail in my first video. You can see the link at the top right. If you did it right, your liquid will have this yellowish tint. Clean the injection port and needle with isopropyl alcohol. Inject the spores into the bottle in an amount of between 1 and 5 milliliters, then wipe the injection port. You can then replace the foil on the bottle lid, although this is not strictly necessary, as the filter will keep out competitors. Honey solution is an excellent base, but there is a natural additive that you can use to boost your liquid culture. And that is none other than coconut water. Coconut water acts as a nutrient-rich supplement in mushroom cultivation, primarily enhancing mycelium growth and increasing yields. Just add it to your mixture at a 15% level before sterilizing. For most mushroom species, the ideal temperature at this stage is between 22 to 26 degrees Celsius. Complete colonization usually takes 7 to 14 days. This depends on the genetic makeup and the amount inoculated. In the first 3 to 5 days, the first small clouds, mycelium clumps, will appear. In the following 7 to 10 days, if you mix it once a day with a magnetic stirrer or shake it, the mycelium will break up and spread faster. If it is cloudy or opalescent, it may indicate an infection. Once your culture is ready, it will remain active for up to a year when stored in the refrigerator and you can use it at any time. Have you tried the liquid culture with other sugars, or have you stuck with the tried and true honey recipe? Let me know in the comments what worked best for you. I'm curious about your experiences.